All right, what's going on, self-made cooks? I'm back with another southern recipe. On today's menu, we're going to be whipping up a gumbo, a southern gumbo recipe. So make sure that you watch the video to the end. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious mouth-watering dish step by step. You do not want to miss this. All right, so first you want to get you one celery stalk. All right, that's just one celery, and then we're going to dice that up. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I like to get the prep out the way first. It just makes it a lot easier, so that way when we get straight to the cooking, we just get straight to it. So, you want to cut that up into 1/4 to 1/8 cubes, or just dice them up. Next, you want to get you some green bell peppers. We're going to use a half a green bell pepper. Just dice that up the same. Same thing with the onion. We're going to get a half of onion, and we're going to dice those up as well. All the prep we're just going to put to the side. Tomatoes. Now, you can use fresh tomatoes or you can use canned tomatoes. I just want to go fresh because I just like fresh ingredients. It just preferably gives you the best taste. It's more flavorful. But you can use the can as well. I don't have anything against that. But you just want to dice those up as well, and you're going to place that to the side. Looks so good. All right, and then you're going to get your garlic. You're going to get 2 cloves. And you're going to dice those up and place them to the side. All right, now so for my protein choice, you can use chorizo. This is chorizo right here. You can use chicken sausage. You can use whatever sausage you want, honestly, if you for the pork control. But you just want to make them into little circles. We're going to say circles for my immature people. And then we're going to go with our chicken. All right, get you some chicken thighs. I like chicken thighs. Most people make it with chicken breast, but I just like chicken thighs because they're more tender, and it's just my favorite, honestly. So then after you're done cutting those up, you're just gonna place it to the side. Don't forget to clean your area, because you don't, just keep your area clean at all times and you won't have any issues. This is the prep. As you can see, we cut up all of these. And don't forget your 1/2 pound of shrimp. Now, guys, once you get all the prep out the way, this is probably the most complicated part about this dish. But if you get this right, it's going to be a smooth sail from here, all right? So I'm going to help you with that. So first you want to get you some avocado oil, or just get you any type of oil with a high smoke point that won't burn that fast. You want to mix it in. So you're going to add a cup of the oil, and then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of the all-purpose flour. Now, this part is crucial, okay, because it's going to take about 20 to 25 minutes, and you're going to have to stand over this, and you're going to have to turn it down to like low, medium heat, okay? Low, medium heat. And you just want to keep stirring it until it starts to get darker, just like that. Now, and once it gets to this color, the dark brown, that's when you want to add it. Just turn off the flame once you get to this point, because it will pop you. The oil gets a little crazy, all right? Then you're just going to add in your vegetables. So all of the vegetables. And guys, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Or you can check the comment section, because sometimes, we all be having issues finding it for some reason. But, I got you. So you just want to mix those in. We're going to cook all of the veggies in. We're going to cook them down for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the vegetables are soft. So typically around 5 to 7 minutes. And remember, guys, to turn up the heat, all right? So turn up the heat once you add your vegetables in. We're going to start cooking it. We're going to add our chicken. We're going to add in our sausage, our 2 protein choices. And then we're just going to cook it till the chicken is no longer pink in the middle, all right? That's going to take about probably 5 to 7 minutes as well. I will have the instructions in the comment box below. All right, then you want to add in your vegetables. We're going to add in our tomatoes. Got those fresh tomatoes right there. Just going to mix it in. Man, if only you guys can smell what I'm smelling right now. All right, for the next step, you're going to pour in your chicken broth. Then you're going to add in all of your seasons. I use Cajun season, dry thyme. You're going to add salt, black pepper, and you're just going to do that to taste, all right? And then you're going to stir it in to combine. This is about 2 cups of the chicken broth as well. Just want to stir it in just to combine all of that together, and then we're going to add in our seasonings. All right, and once you are done adding all those delicious flavors in there and mixing it all in, you're just going to add a lid to it, and you're going to cook that for approximately on low heat, all right, on low simmer for about 45 minutes, okay? Now, as you can see, once it's done, you see that it's thickened up really nicely. This is when you're going to add in that 1/2 pound of shrimp, and we're going to just cook it till it's pink, so about 5 to 7 minutes, all right? So just keep an eye on it, because you want it to be succulent. You don't want it to be dry, all right? Just going to place a lid on that. And voila, get you some white steamed rice and some sweet cornbread, and you cannot go wrong. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your community. And if I could have done anything better, let me know in the comment section. Peace out, guys. Till next time.